or we are waiting for some more?
Yes, we are ready po. So, hello, good morning. My name's Raven Abarino. I'll be leading our interview today. Joining us in the call are Abigail Caico and Ambel Garcia. I'd like to start by thanking you for making the time to speak with us. Your feedback is valuable and will be used to our course output. Just to confirm, we'd like to keep this interview for 5 minutes. Does that work for you, sir?
Okay.
To start, I'd like to hear a little about you. What's your occupation and what do you do all day po?
Okay. As you might be knowing, my name is Sandeep Srivastava. I'm working here in IBM Singapore for last 20 years. I'm working here as a senior managing partner. I work basically for the bank. We develop the software. You might be using the bank, internet banking, ID, mobile banking, all those things. Our job is mainly to make those application, upgrade those application, make sure that it's secure and it's user friendly. This is all what we are doing currently. That's all. Anything else? If you want to know anything specific about this one, I'm happy to answer all your queries.
May we ask po, what are your deliverables, sir?
My deliverables, it depends on the time to time, what are the projects I'm involved in. Currently, we are working on the migration project. Like whatever application currently it is being hosted on the on-premises server, we are migrating into cloud. So I'm not sure if you guys are already familiar with the cloud or on-premises server. Are you clear, or you want me to elaborate a bit on that one?
You can elaborate it po.
Um,
Okay, so currently, so far in the traditional software technology, what we do that each company, they maintain their own data center, which is very cumbersome job, and it's very expensive also. So now what companies are doing, like Amazon, Google, Alibaba and all, they are providing their data center. We call that one as a cloud. So if you're using their service, right, you don't need to maintain your own data center. Data center is a place where you keep all the servers. Like for example, you're using your laptop, right? That is at your home. But what in case if your laptop is damaged, all your data, whatever you have, it will be lost. However, if you upload, if you take the backup your data into the server or in internet or in the cloud, you can fetch it anytime from anywhere else. This is the basic concept of the cloud. What we are doing, that is only for your personal data. Just imagine about the big application where we are maintaining the millions of record. For example, if you are having the PNB customer, right? They are having the millions of customers, they are doing the transaction, all those records we are taking the backup into the cloud. So earlier we are using the our own data center, means our own personal laptop. Now instead of using that personal laptop, now, we are taking the backup into the cloud. So there is a mm, it's a time consuming task how we are going to migrate from our data center to cloud. What will be the security feature, how we are going to migrate the data, the existing data, whatever records we have. So all those things we need to think, we need to design, and then we need to plan accordingly, and we implement those things. So on the day-to-day, if you ask the deliverables, it's like time-consuming job. Usually the project duration is 3 months to 6 months. So finally, at this time, whatever we have worked for past 6 months, we are delivering into the production, you can say. Am I able to answer? Like, is it what you're expecting?
Yes, sir. For a second question po,
Okay.
what kind of person does
Mhm.
your kind of work po generally? Is this something that requires a specific kind of training or experience po?
Sorry, could you please repeat your question?
What kind of person does your kind of work po generally? Is this something that requires a specific kind of training or experience po ba?
Yes, definitely. Like we had like various requirement. Like it's a very big project. We have requirement for each this one. Like technology perspective, if you ask, like front end developers, we call like development team is there. Then project manager is there. Then architect is there. Then in a company we need the finance team also. We need the manager also. We need the salesperson also. So all those things are required. So currently, what you guys are studying is the technical things. You guys are going to become the computer engineer. So for example, after 3 years, once you get graduated, right? Maybe I hire you in my company, and then we'll work on the this one. Whatever I described just now to migration project and all, right? Whatever technology you learn, whether it's a Java or it's the C or C++, it depending on the like project to project. If my requirement is, for example, for Java, and you know the Java, then I hire you on my this one, and then we work towards this one, the deliverables. So these are the like various requirement. It's a very big team of various skill sets.
Okay, sir. So for the third question, po, what are your goals in doing your work po?
My goals,
Yes po.
my goals is for the like client satisfaction. Whatever we are work, if our client is happy, then we are happy. And client works towards the like customer and customer requirement. For example, if your end customer, if you are using the Zoom application, if it is not user friendly, it means as an end customer you are not happy. If you are not happy, then you will complain to the, or maybe you switch to from Zoom to any other application, maybe WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. So that's what our goal is, to work towards the client satisfaction and the customer satisfaction, so that we can retain the customer base.
Okay, sir. So for the fourth question, sir, so what motivates you, sir, on continuing your work po?
Client happiness, that motivates me.
What motivates you is to satisfy the customer.
Yes,
Okay. So for the last question, sir, what do you love most about your work po?
it's like solving the customer problem, whatever on day-to-day basis, whatever the problem as a customer we face, right? And if we hear them and if we are able to solve their problem, which helps them to make their life easy, that that is the like sort of satisfaction for us.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
So that would be all
Go
our
ahead.
questions po. So
Okay.
thank you, sir, for your kind and meaningful words. We would like to keep that in mind. It was a pleasure meeting with you, sir, and thank you for taking the time to speak with us po. And we appreciate your
Okay.
presence with us today. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
We will
Thank you so
stop
much
the
po.
record
Thank
po.
you po. Thank you, sir.
Bye.